Hey everyone, and welcome to Chatfuel Quick Tips. Today I'm going to teach you a question which is often asked on the Facebook Chatfuel group. It's how you reset user attributes. So the first thing, let's set up an attribute. So we'll set up a new block, we'll call it start reset attributes. And what we'll do is, if you imagine you've gone through a flow, you've set up some user attributes, and these can be, just to mark a user with certain things that you want to know when you're doing the logic of your flows. So my user attribute, and we're going to set that to some data. So at the moment, we'll just set this to like hello. And then if we display this on the screen, so we say my user attribute, and we display it. There we go. So we should now see it. So let's set up some AI for this. We'll do show reset. I've just got show reset there, and we'll take us to the start reset attributes block. There we go. So when we test this out, hopefully, with Via Messenger, sorry, we can do it in here. So show reset, that's what I called it. And it should just show us that we've set up a user attribute. There we go, my user attribute, hello. Great, so how do we reset that then? Okay, let's go back. Next thing we can do is just set the user attribute. Really, really simple. We call it my user attribute again. And then all you have to do is you do not set, and that just removes the data from it. So you don't have to set it to another value. You can actually just reset it. So if we do this now, we do my user attribute after reset. There we go. My user attribute. Now we do this one more time. Show reset. Should simply do my user attribute is hello, and after reset, see, it has no value. Brilliant. I hope you found this video useful. I'll do some more quick tip videos for you. Ask me questions on the Chatfuel Facebook group, and I'll record these little quick tips for you, and hopefully it's going to help you out. Bye for now.